Hello everyone, this is Christine and today we are going to another local beef noodle shop here in Tainan, and we are going to be trying their local beef noodle soup. Are you excited?
Yes.
Yes, let's go!
First time ko din.
Yes.
Diba kahapon
Hindi naman beef noodle yung kahapon.
salted dried noodles.
Dried noodles yung kinain niya
Masarap yun.
kahapon. So, today is our first time eating beef noodle soup here in Taiwan. And sabi ng mga co-teachers ko, Shanwa is a place where you can find best beef noodle soup. So, let's find out. So, let's find out. Kaya pala maraming bakang estatwa na aking inaaway. Sabi ko, moo! Yun pala. Kasi sikat sa kanila ang beef.
Kaya pala.
So,
Sa pagbuka na station, meron.
yeah, so we are going to find out today if best talaga ang kanilang noodle soup. Okay? Okay.
Sige, kita.
Tapit mo ba? Nandito na. Let's try. First bite. Soup muna. Soup muna. Soup. Baby, cheers. Cheers. Hey. Sarap.
Next. Noodles.
Noodles. Ito muna yung beef. Beef. Go ba? Beef.
Ganda ko ng big.
Lambot. Lambot. Hello, Waves. Dito na kami sa Taiwan, Waves.
So nga pala, di ba beef noodles ko?
Pero sa Pilipinas, mami. Let's eat!
Mami ang tawag eh. Dito, beef noodles. Yung mami kasi sa atin parang nagkaroon ng variation na iba't iba.
Handmade.
Handmade ba? Okay.
Homemade. Sarap! Baby dumplings. Pakita mo sa akin. Tada! Baby! Tada! Now, let's dip it. Kasi wala yung beef.
Ito nga ma. Tirada yan. Dapat pala merong ano, taste and naran yun. Okay, good.
Tama?
ASMR bang tawag?
Kay Esther. if gusto nyo talaga ma-experience ang local food, then go to the local food shop. Masarap sila, promise. Kanina punong-puno ito. So,
Sa pag
somehow, nalaman namin na masarap. Legit, masarap.
Pinuders kaya nila dito.
Bye-bye.